Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruin everything and nothing.
Alright, as you can tell by the title, it is a Beauty Ninja Mask Monday. Today we have the Bio Miracle Hydrating Collagen Face Mask infused with watermelon and hyaluronic acid. Got this from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to stick this on. Smells like watermelon. Alright, so we are going to open up a package that was sent to us from our dear friend Janet in the comments section. Big, huge box. And we're just going to go through it. Now, I have unpacked everything and made sure that we weren't going to have any messes. And everything has arrived intact in one piece. So we're just going to go through what Janet sent us. Now, I have Janet linked in the description box. Go check her out. She doesn't have a channel. She should. But she does have an Instagram. You should go follow her on there. Janet did another declutter, and she sent me some of it. So we're going to go through what she sent me. Now, first thing I pulled out is this bag here, which she put in here in a plastic bag, so in case it's spilled. So first thing we're pulling out is the Be Perfect Perfection Primer, Illuminating Primer, Champagne Glow. So I'm excited to give that a try. And the next thing is the Full Impact Complete Coverage Concealer from Be Perfect. And it is in the shade M1. So we'll give that a try. And then we have the Tier Silver Mask Fit Aura Cushion Foundation. This is in 21 Natural Ivory. And that is the shade. So we shall give that a try in one of our Wear Test Wednesdays. Alright, so the rest of these are palettes, and we are going to go through them. I will show you what they look like on the inside. This is from Fantasy Cosmetica, the Rogue palette. And that's the color story. Oh, I am most excited about this shade here. I don't know if you can see the shift in it. It's purple and green and blue. Oh, that's going to be nice. And then from Electrum Cosmetics, we have the Celestial Witch. That is the inside of that. Moon Magic. I think that's the one I'm going to be most excited for. Oh yeah, definitely excited for that shade. Alright, and then from Cosmic Brushes, we have the Sinister palette. And those are the shades in that one. She didn't even uncover the Ghost shade, which is this shade right here. That looks like there's nothing in it. I think there is nothing in it. Oh no, there's something in it. It's a gel shade. Gel shade. It's a gel. All right, and then from Beauty Bay, we have the Wilderness palette. And I really, really, really wanted this palette, but I was not able to get my hands on it. And as you can see, all those yummy greens. Just wanted to get my hands on. Oh yeah. Yep, excited about that one. Next up, we have the Heather Austin palette from Adept Cosmetics. I'm excited for these shades here. Oh yeah. All right, and another one from Adept is the Ninhydran palette. And those are the shades there. Super excited for this AC123 shade. Look at this. See what color it is? Got purple, pink, gold, green. That is beautiful. Then we have from Ensley Rain the Wolf Moon palette. We did have a tiny little hiccup with this shade here. It's a little bit crumbly, but I did press it back in as best as I could. That's actually probably the shade I'm most excited about. It's just beautiful. And then from Unearthly, we have the Dreamer palette. And that is the inside of that one. All right, and then from Bella Beauty Bar. You know, I have not gotten to try anything from Ensley Rain or Bella Beauty Bar as of yet. And so these are my introduction to these palettes. So from Bella Beauty Bar, I got the Star-Crossed Lovers. And then these are the shades in that one. I'm most excited for this shade here. It's a red bronze shifting shade. It is beautiful. And then another brand that I have not gotten to try or I even heard of at this point is a Divinity Beauty. This is the Divinity palette. And these are the shades. I'm excited about this shade here. Pink and blue shifting. Oh yeah. One that I was not able to get my hands on when it came out was the Fuji 5 Lakes from Nomad. And this is textured. It's very beautiful. And those are the shades in that one. Oh. The yellows and the blues. Oh, yes, please. And another one that I really wanted when it came out was the Unearthly Gargoyle. I was not able to get my hands on it, however. So, those are the shades. Excited about this Mystic Stone one. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Then another one from Unearthly is Spring Magic. Oh yeah. Those greens. About that life. Alright. And then another one from Nomad is the Bosque Nuboso de Monteverde. And I probably absolutely butchered that. But we did try, so we get brownie points for trying, right? Look at the color story on that one. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. Alright, and then from Ensley Rain, we have Light in Your Eyes. Just the cover art on these are so pretty. But, as you can see, we got those mustardy yellows and greens and cool tones, and I am super, super excited to get my hands into this one. This Lucid Shine shade is just scrumptious. Gold and pink and just very, very much alright, so I'm excited for that one. And then last but not least, we have from Ensley Rain the Cosmic Dreamer palette, and just all here. Oh yeah. Look at this orange right here. Oh, that one's gonna be so much fun. Oh yeah. Just look at the foil. Just oh. So those are the palettes that I received from Janet. Like I said, she will be linked in the description box, or at least her Instagram, because she doesn't have a channel, but she should. Go check her out. Go send her a follow. Janet is a huge supporter in our little makeup community, and it's very kind of her to send us these things. She really does not have to, and the fact that she even thinks to send these to any of us is amazing. And I do very much appreciate you, Janet, and I very much appreciate that you would think of me to send me any of these things. I'm very, very, very grateful. So like I said, please go give her a follow on Instagram. Also, this is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas Mask Monday. So there's a playlist in the description box. Please go check out the other ladies and see what they have going on. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that good stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you... I'm trying to leave without taking off the mask. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the